children. How are you all today? I hope you all are safe at home. Yes? Okay. So today we are going to do maths and learn a new concept, left and right. Yes? Okay. So let's start. Now join both the thumb fingers and on which hand you can see alphabet L. Yes children? Standing line and sleeping line. Children, can you see here where is alphabet L? Yes, here is alphabet L. L. Yes. On which hand you can see alphabet L? Here. Standing line and sleeping line. So this is our left hand. This is our left hand. Other hand is a right hand. Left hand, right hand. जो हाथ में ऐसा L बनता है उसको हम कहते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड और दूसरा हाथ होगा हमारा राइट हैंड. लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट हैंड. जिस हाथ में L बनता है उसे हम कहेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड और दूसरा हाथ होगा हमारा राइट हैंड. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लिफ्ट योर लेफ्ट हैंड विथ मी. लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट हैंड, लेफ्ट हैंड, right hand. Yes, whenever you have confusion, always join the thumb finger and check it out. Which one is left hand? जहाँ पे L बनता है वो हुआ हमारा left hand. And which one is our right hand? Other hand. Okay children, this is my left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Now, let's understand this concept with the help of some objects. Here is a yellow balloon on the right side, yellow balloon on the right side, red balloon on the left side, red balloon on the left side. Here is an auto rickshaw on the left side. Yes. And a bike on the right side and a bike on the right side. This is a green bottle on the right side, a green bottle on the right side and a blue bottle on the left side, a blue bottle on the left side. Right, left, right, left. This duck is going on the right side. This duck is going on the left side. Here is a right hand glove and a left hand glove. Here is a blue car on the right side, blue car on the right side, red car on the left side, red car on the left side. Here is a orange bike on the right side, orange bike on the right side and white bike on the left side, white bike on the left side. Right, left, right, left. Now it's time for activity. So get ready. Here is a bowl with red and blue beads. Two bowls are kept, one on the left side and one is the right side. Chart is also placed. One is of red color, one is of red color, that is on right hand side, that is on right hand side. One is of blue color, that is left hand side, that is left hand side. So what we have to do is put the red bead in right side where there is red chart, and where there is a blue chart we will put bead in that bowl. Now take the red bead and put it in the right side bowl. Oh, no. We do not have to touch the bead with our hands. So now we will use a spoon to pick the bead. Now take the red bead from bowl and put it in the right side bowl. Yes. Children, are you enjoying this activity? Yes. Good. Okay. Now take the blue bead and put it in the left bowl. We'll take one by one. Children, this activity you can do it at home. Yes, you can do it. Yes. Left bowl has blue beads and right bowl has red beads. So here we complete our activity. Now can you tell left or right? Good job. I hope you all must have loved this activity. Now it's time for worksheet. This is your practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to trace a left path or right path in each picture. For example, in the first picture left is written on the picture of an elephant. So, elephant has to eat food and it has to go on the left side. So, you have to trace the left side path with crayon. यहाँ एलिफेंट के पीठ पर लेफ्ट लिखा है और एलिफेंट को खाना खाने के लिए लेफ़्ट साइड जाना है, तो आपको लेफ़्ट साइड वाला पाथ इस तरीके से ट्रेस करना है और बाकी सब भी आपको इसी तरह से ट्रेस करना है. चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन डू दिस प्रैक्टिस वर्क इन योर मैथ्स क्लास वर्कबुक, पेज नंबर 18. So today you learned about left and right. Yes, I hope you all understood this concept. Bye children. See you soon.